Do you have a Wagoneer EV or a Dodge Charger EV? I do, and there's quite a few electrical gremlins that will strand you, but they're all really easy to fix. And I'm going to give you the 3 easy fixes so that you don't have to deal with having your car towed to the dealer and then wait for it in the shop. You can fix it right there. The most common one for me is I get in the car, I hit the start button, and it doesn't want to come on. It won't go into gear, it won't do anything. When that happens, I'll turn it off, turn it back on, and if it still won't go into gear, come out to the front hood, raise the hood, and take out these rivets. There's a 12-volt battery placed to charge right here. Take out those rivets. You just take a screwdriver and put under there, and you pop open the rivet, and then you can pull straight up, and the whole thing comes out. Right here, there's a jump post for positive and a jump post for negative. Put your jump, I just keep a jumper in that thing right there, in the front, and connect the jumper. Then I get in the car, I hit the start key again, and it starts almost every time. Only one time is it not started for me. And that one time it didn't start for me, it was really weird. The car wouldn't shut off. So do you have any a Jeep Wagoneer S that won't shut off, or a Charger that won't shut off? Here's how you fix it. Come around to the back, and on the Wagoneer S, like this one, raise up the panel. When you do that, you can take off this panel. You have to raise up this panel first. This panel just pops straight backwards, just straight backwards. When you do that, you can disconnect this negative battery post, take it off the post, put it back on after about 5 minutes, and see if that works. If that doesn't work, and it didn't for me, take it back off, take the negative back off, then come to the opposite side, and there's a little green switch right here. This is the kill switch for the batteries, for the big lithium-ion batteries. To get the kill switch off, pop that red thing out, and then this little slider right there, pull that out with a screwdriver. See if I can hold this here. I need another hand. Take a screwdriver and pry that little tab right there open. I'll show you. Like so. Pry that tab, pull that red thing out, and then this black connector will pull backwards and will disconnect from these wires. When that happens, you will lose all power and your car will shut off. Wait for about 5 minutes and put that back together right there. And to put it back together, it's a little bit tricky. You'd think it just pushes back together, but it doesn't. To put it back together, what you have to do is exact opposite order. Pull this out, leave it out with the screwdriver, and then on this red tab, push down on that red tab, down, not out, down, with it sticking out. Push it down, and then push the black thing in, and it'll go in. I had to play with it for a while to make it work, and it finally worked for me. Now my Jeep is working perfectly again. I put it back in, I hit the key, and all is working as it should. So I saved myself a tow to the dealer and a week of it sitting in the shop by simply taking that thing out, and I'm back on the road. I hope this helps for me. Give me a like if it does, or leave a comment at the bottom if you have any suggestions on how to fix these little electrical gremlins.